Welcome to a journey back in time, to a world ruled by creatures of immense scale and power, the dinosaurs. For over 160 million years, they dominated the planet, but their world was more than just monstrous appetites and epic clashes. Just like the animal kingdom today, dinosaurs exhibited a fascinating array of social structures. Were they solitary creatures, or did they roam in herds, perhaps even nurture their young in family groups? Fossil discoveries and modern scientific analysis are beginning to paint a vivid picture of how these magnificent creatures interacted with one another. Join me now, as we delve into the captivating world of dinosaur social structures. Our understanding of dinosaur social behavior begins in the Earth itself. Fossilized bones tell a tale of anatomy and evolution, but it's the footprints, the trackways left behind, that offer us a glimpse into their social lives. In many parts of the world, from the American West to the plains of Patagonia, we find these prehistoric pathways etched in stone, not just single tracks but multiple trails running parallel, a clear indication of herds on the move. These fossilized pathways sometimes stretch for miles, a silent testament to the sheer scale of dinosaur herds. Imagine, if you will, the ground trembling beneath the weight of hundreds, even thousands of plant-eating giants, their young safely nestled in the middle, protected from opportunistic predators. Such mass gatherings would have been a spectacle unlike anything we see on Earth today. And then, there are the bone beds, mass accumulations of dinosaur fossils found in a single location. These bone beds often contain the remains of numerous individuals of the same species, sometimes even different age groups. Were these dinosaurs brought together by disaster, a sudden flood, or volcanic eruption? Or could these be snapshots of dinosaur social life, herds caught in a moment of time? Perhaps the most compelling evidence of dinosaur social behavior comes from fossilized nests and eggs. In Montana's Badlands, paleontologists unearthed the remains of a dinosaur nesting ground so vast it stretched for miles. The nests, carefully arranged and spaced apart, contain the fossilized remains of eggs, hatchlings, and even adult dinosaurs, a heartwarming indication of parental care. These fossilized remnants, these whispers in stone, offer tantalizing clues about the social lives of dinosaurs. They paint a picture of herds on the move, of parents caring for their young, of a world far more complex and nuanced than we might have imagined. But these are just glimpses, pieces of a much larger puzzle. The vast plains and forests of the Mesozoic era echoed with the footsteps of titans, the mighty sauropods, giants like Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus, and Apatosaurus. These long-necked herbivores, some reaching lengths greater than a blue whale, likely roamed in herds, their sheer size a deterrent to even the most determined predator. Imagine witnessing such a spectacle, a herd of these magnificent creatures lumbering across the landscape, their young safely in tow. But it wasn't just size that offered protection. Fossil evidence suggests that sauropods, like many modern-day herd animals, traveled with their young at the center of the group, shielded by the larger adults. This defensive formation, a living, breathing fortress, would have made it incredibly difficult for predators to isolate and attack vulnerable individuals. Alongside the sauropods, we find evidence of other herbivores that likely sought safety in numbers. Hadrosaurs, the duck-billed dinosaurs, often congregated in vast herds, their presence marked by a cacophony of calls and honks. These social animals may have used their distinctive crests to communicate within the herd, signaling danger or attracting mates. The horned and frilled ceratopsians, too, likely found strength in numbers. Triceratops, with its formidable horns and bony frill, is often depicted as a solitary grazer. But fossil evidence suggests that these impressive herbivores may have roamed in herds, their horns and frills a formidable wall of defense against predators. For these herbivores, herd living wasn't just about protection from predators. It was also about efficient foraging, finding and exploiting the best feeding grounds, and raising their young in a safe and nurturing environment. The open landscapes of the Mesozoic would have been a dangerous place for a lone herbivore, but in the heart of a herd, safety and survival were assured. Chapter 3: Apex Predators, Rulers of the Solitary Domain. While many herbivores sought safety in numbers, the apex predators of the dinosaur era often ruled their domains alone. Tyrannosaurus rex, the undisputed king of the dinosaurs, likely reigned supreme at the top of the food chain. Fossil evidence suggests that T. rex was a solitary hunter, its massive size and bone-crushing bite more than enough to bring down even the largest prey. Marks found on T-Rex skulls, likely inflicted by other T-Rex, suggest that these apex predators may have been territorial, engaging in fierce battles for dominance over hunting grounds and potential mates. The solitary nature of T-Rex, a testament to its power and ferocity, is a stark contrast to the social structures of many modern-day predators. Another iconic predator, Spinosaurus, with its massive sail and crocodile-like snout, likely led a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Fossil evidence points to Spinosaurus inhabiting rivers and swamps, where it hunted fish and other aquatic prey. This specialized lifestyle, coupled with its enormous size, suggests that Spinosaurus, like T-Rex, was a solitary predator perfectly adapted to its unique ecological niche. Allosaurus, a fearsome predator that lived during the Jurassic period, provides further evidence of solitary behavior among large carnivores. Fossil discoveries often reveal Allosaurus skeletons bearing the scars of battles with other Allosaurus. These injuries inflicted by the same species suggest that competition for resources and territory was fierce, even among their own kind, making solitary hunting a more viable option. The lives of these solitary predators, though often brutal and short, were essential to the balance of the Mesozoic ecosystem. They were the ultimate survivors, perfectly adapted to their role as apex predators, their reign of dominance etched in the fossil record. Chapter 4. Hunters in the Shadows, the Raptor Strategy. While giants like Tyrannosaurus rex ruled their domains alone, smaller, more agile predators may have adopted a different strategy pack hunting. The dromaeosaurs, a family of feathered dinosaurs that included the iconic velociraptor, were intelligent and swift hunters, armed with deadly claws and sharp teeth. Fossil evidence suggests that these cunning predators may have coordinated their attacks, working together to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Imagine, if you will, a pack of dromaeosaurs, sleek and agile, their eyes gleaming with primal intelligence as they stalk their prey through the undergrowth. Working in unison, they would have been a formidable force, their agility and intelligence more than compensating for their smaller size. Troodon, another small bird-like dinosaur with a relatively large brain for its size, is another potential candidate for pack hunting. Its sharp teeth and grasping claws suggest a predatory lifestyle, and its intelligence may have allowed it to coordinate hunts with other members of its species. Further evidence of pack hunting among dinosaurs comes from South America, where paleontologists discovered the remains of Mapusaurus, a large carcharodontosaurid that lived alongside the even larger Giganotosaurus. The discovery of multiple Mapusaurus individuals in close proximity suggests that these predators may have lived and hunted in groups, perhaps even cooperating to bring down the massive sauropods of their time. The possibility of pack hunting among dinosaurs, particularly the smaller, more intelligent species, adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of their social behavior. It suggests that dinosaurs, like many modern-day predators, were capable of complex social interactions, working together to overcome challenges and secure their place in the prehistoric world. Chapter 5. A Legacy in Bone, the Mystery of Dinosaur Parenting. Did dinosaurs nurture their young like birds and crocodiles, or abandon them like turtles? Maiasaura, the good mother lizard, suggests some dinosaurs were dedicated parents. Did the fearsome T-Rex protect its young? Oviraptor once thought an egg thief actually brooded its own eggs. Dinosaurs were complex social creatures, possibly caring for their young. Outro: A World Transformed, the Legacy of Dinosaur Social Lives. As we've journeyed through the fossil record, we've uncovered a world teeming with diverse social structures. From the massive herds of sauropods to the solitary hunts of Tyrannosaurus rex, dinosaurs were as varied in their social behavior as the animals alive today. Some thrived in the safety of numbers, while others ruled their domains alone. Some dinosaurs were attentive parents, nurturing their young, while others left their offspring to face the challenges of survival on their own. These glimpses into the social lives of dinosaurs remind us that they were not simply giant lizards, but complex creatures, as diverse and fascinating as any that have ever walked the earth. Imagine, if you could, witnessing firsthand the thunderous march of a sauropod herd or the cunning hunt of a pack of raptors. Though these scenes are lost to time, the fossil record provides us with a window into their world, a world that continues to captivate our imaginations and inspire awe. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of dinosaur social life.